thing, the job is to lift car. You see what is happening there? We will just jack the car up and lift it. You see what is happening there? It's coming back. Okay, I think it has a sensor. When it reaches a particular area, it will stop because of the sensor. It's going forward now. You see it? It is going forward. Wow. Wow. Different type of technology of elevator. Different type of technology of elevator. You see it in Lofie, Milan. It's coming back after dropping it. Coming back alone. I think this is a robotic elevator made only for cars. You see it? It stops. Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful. Everything is just programmed. His work is finished. Actually, this is Fino Corsa. That is a contact of ending. With this Fino Corsa, when it reaches here, this contact will communicate him to stop. It is called Fino Corsa or contact distance contact. You move again. It has sensor and the Fino Corsa. Okay, so from here is okay, and we go to different places to show you different things. And for it is still going on. I don't know. I think I'm tired of showing all this thing. Sorry. You see this one here for lifting of car, but this one is an example. They just made this one an example for people to watch. You see them? The elevator lifter for car. This is just a sample to make people to be convinced that they are capable of. For them to do this small one, they are capable to do the big one. You see it? We will lift this one for park or underground park, lifting car and dropping car. Okay, you see it? Different types of elevators. And from here, I think we start from here.